Mr. President, the Soviet action in Afghanistan must be clearly and severely condemned by this Council and by the international community. It violates international law, and it has been carried out at a time when world tensions are already high, and when even a lesser incident could trigger a chain reaction of events leading to superpower confrontation and even to nuclear war. This is a time of restraint and statesmanship for sober and responsible conduct of international affairs. We urge the Soviet Union to withdraw its troops from Afghanistan so that its people can exercise in freedom their inalienable national and political rights, and so that a dangerous threat to world peace and security can be removed.